This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious masala tea. To begin, you'll need some key ingredients. First, gather fresh water, quality black tea leaves, and a variety of aromatic spices. Make sure you have ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves on hand. Also, prepare milk and your choice of sweetener, like sugar or honey, to customize your perfect cup. Next, let's prepare our spices and water. Take your ginger, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves, then grind or crush them into a fine powder to release their full aroma. Now, boil fresh water in a pan. A good rule is 1 cup of water for each serving. Remember to preheat your teapot or cup by swirling hot water inside, then discarding it. Now it's time for the brewing process. Carefully add your ground spices to the boiling water and let them simmer for a few minutes to infuse their flavors. Then, introduce the black tea leaves. Use approximately 1 teaspoon per cup. Stir well and allow the mixture to boil for another 2 minutes, ensuring a rich extraction of both tea and spice essences. For the final touches, add milk and sugar to your preference, then simmer briefly for a creamy, indulgent texture. Remember, you can always adjust the spice proportions and brewing time to achieve your ideal flavor profile. Experiment to find what you love most. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly brewed masala tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.